Okay, as you can see, this is the whistle, and it should change the sound of the car from this to this. Whee!
Yosh, 俺様が相手だ。
Okay, after this unique unboxing experience, let's install this whistle on my car.
I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that.
Okay, for everybody, this is Simba, my crazy dog. So, let's hear the sound of the car now.
I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. Steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes.
And it's time to install this cheap Chinese feed. As you can see, it's easy. Couple bolts and that's it. Okay, I'm editing right now this, and first time I hear these pops, but I think that's just from my microphone. Okay, let's take a drive and test this whistle, and probably I will wash my car. So here's the whistle, here's the Rocco. After a couple drives, it's time to wash Scirocco. So enjoying that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, to click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Till next time, see you.